What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, we got another fabulous day in the world of cryptocurrency. There's never a dull moment when you are in the cryptocurrency market. One day is up, next day is down, next day is sideways. When you wake up, you do not never know what you're going to be faced with when you're dealing with the world of cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency market. But we're going to talk into one of the coins that we have not spoken about yet. We're going to get into that coin in just a minute. But before we get into our coin of the day, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is back above $59,000. We know earlier this morning and yesterday, Bitcoin dipped down to $57,000. There was a lot of fear going around in cryptocurrency, as always, whenever Bitcoin starts to dip. The Bitcoin dominance, as of today, we're back above $59,000, 59,200, something like that. The fear and greed index is down. We're at 43 because of the recent dip to $57,000. But the Bitcoin dominance is holding strong, and that is very a positive thing that the Bitcoin dominance is holding strong. Things are continuing to go in the right direction. Ethereum holding its own above $2,500. So we are lining back up, and like they have been saying, that typically September had been one of the red months historically. So a lot of folks are planning on seeing a lot of red this particular month. But you got to understand that this particular cycle is different. Just when you think things are going to be going red, it'll flip on you. Things will start to go green. It'll start to get bullish. So that's what I'm looking for. Typically, when a crowd is thinking one way, it goes the other way. So if everybody thinking that the market is going to be red, I am preparing for a green month of September. So we're going to kick back. We're going to pay attention and watch the market on a daily basis like we always do. But let's go ahead and get into our coin of the day. Our coin of the day is AAVE, AAVE. AAVE is a cryptocurrency coin. This is the number 38th largest cryptocurrency coin. So it's in the top 50. It's a big dog. It's one of the large cap coins. Like I say, you want to make sure your portfolio is diverse. You want to have some large cap coins, some small cap coins, meme coins, so forth and so on. So AAVE is a great large cap coin that I have in my portfolio. Currently, the price of AAVE is $134. It's up today. Bitcoin is up, so altcoins are up as well. We're up 10% on AAVE. The market cap for AAVE is $2 billion market cap. So it has a heavy market cap. It's a large cap coin, but it's still got a lot of room to run. This is a fairly new coin. This coin came out the previous cycle. It came out in November of 2020. This coin came out at about $70. And that was back in 2020 from the previous year of the Bitcoin halving. If you look back a few months, in July, this coin got right back down to $70. The year after the previous Bitcoin halving in 2021, this coin got all the way up to $600. So it did almost a 10x the previous cycle. This coin is supported on COINBASE. This coin is supported on Binance, and most importantly, this coin is also over there on Robinhood. We know Robinhood only have a handful of altcoins that they are trusting and trading and allowing their customers to trade. And we also got to understand, whenever the retail starts to flood into the market, they typically start in platforms like Robinhood. That's what happened the previous cycle. Those coins over there on Robinhood, those are some of the coins that really start to pump, really start to get really the popularity start to grow on those, because that is where the retail is based at. The retail is based on platforms like Robinhood. Then from there, they start coming to platforms like COINBASE, Crypto.com, so forth and so on. So AAVE is an outstanding coin. This coin have already shown that it can get through a bull market. It's still around this particular cycle, which is positive. Most recently, they have been having talks with some of the large corporations and institutions the AAVE lab was recently proposing to integrate its platform with BlackRock's fund account. So this is something that XRP is also proposing. So the fact that AAVE is trying to get on the same level that XRP is on is huge. And just the simple fact that this particular coin, AAVE, is trying to get out there. You know, it already have a awesome developer. You know, these guys have already been doing some great things. They are continuing to take their platform to another level as far as the utilization of their coin. They've been developing over the past few years. Now they got their product developed, and now they are out there making proposals and having various partnerships with some of these large institutions, because we know BlackRock and a lot of the other large institutions are going to be needing various partnerships with some of these doggone cryptocurrency altcoins. So why not partnership with XRP? Why not partnership with AAVE? These are some of the top coins that are out there. They're already proven. So I'm looking out for AAVE. If anything really starts to get solidified with some of the partnerships, a play like this can really run. Can this thing do a 10x? If it do a 10x, you're talking about a $1,300 altcoin, and that will be double from what it was the previous cycle. The previous cycle, the all-time high was $600. So can it double the $600 and get to $1,200, $1,300? If it can, then that is our 10x. If you get to 10x, we're still only talking about a $20 billion market cap. This particular market cap is going to be so heavy. If Bitcoin hit $150,000, can you imagine what some of these other altcoins will get to as far as market cap? So a $20 billion market cap is going to be nothing in 2025 for a play like AAVE. I'm expecting this coin to really do great things. I have a nice position. This is one of the coins that I have in my portfolio as far as on my large cap sector. I got large cap coins, small cap coins, meme coins. That's how I like to diversify my portfolios. AAVE is one of the large cap coins that is holding down a portion of my large cap sector. So place this coin on your radar, do a little bit of research on this coin, and see if this coin is right for you and your portfolio. But like I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We got the Stock Holiday Patreon t-shirts. You know, we got a great cryptocurrency community over there. But like I say, I just come to you guys every day just to continue to give y'all that good motivation. Coming to you every day to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.